Hi guys, this is Architect Javed, and I would like to explain about my channel. Basically, what is the purpose of my channel and what is the mission of my channel. So my channel is basically for architectural students. My channel name is Arc Studies. I will teach you guys basically three subjects. The first in architectural design and the building services and the history. Basically, today I will teach you about the design, basically one of my projects that I have done in the college time. So I will explain you that project so that you can take the reference, you can take the data, and you learn many things in that project basically. So let's start the project. So let's talk about the site content. Basically site का जो criteria क्या था और क्या problem थी. So I would like to explain you the problem, basically what was the context of site. So basically basically there is a complex. It's not an individual site. I'll show you. Basically this is the key plan that I have, and this is the legend in the right. So basically there is 2 IT park in the complex, and the apartment, and the hospital, hotel, club, and the proposed housing. So basically this was the entire complex, and my auditorium site is one of that. That is this is the auditorium site basically. So it's a part of complex. All the people want some recreational space in the workplace, nearby the workplace, so that they can break the monotony of the work. लोग उसके अंदर जा सकते हैं, enjoy कर सकते हैं, and this auditorium can take place some drama, dance. There are a lot of things can be happen in the auditorium. So basically this is the context of site. So now this is how you can show your key plan, and this is the presentation way that you can show the key plan of your site also. ये बताना चाहूँगा किस तरीके से मैंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट को इवॉल्व किया, किस तरीके से मैंने सोचा. तो फर्स्ट मेरा यही था कि बिकॉज इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स, जो डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए था समथिंग यूनिक, सो दैट वो पूरे कॉम्प्लेक्स में थोड़ा सा अलग ही दिखे बेसिकली. सो दिस वाज माय थॉट प्रोसेस कि आई मीन इट शुड नॉट बी सिंपल क्यूब वाला ब्लॉक, बिकॉज अगर थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट दिखेगा सो पीपल कैन डायरेक्टली, आई मीन इट विल बी द लैंडमार्क ऑफ दैट एंटायर कॉम्प्लेक्स बेसिकली. सो दिस वाज माय थॉट प्रोसेस. So I take my concept from the petal of rose, as you can see in this image. This is how I evolved my concept. Basically I just wanted to design something different, so I have taken this form basically, and then I have draw these sketches and finally converted to this sketch. So you can show your presentation like this. So let's go to the next page. So this is the evolution of design that I have done. So this was the entire site, and this was the small sketch that I have initially drawn, and later on I have drawn this sketch, and then this and this. In the final I got this image of my auditorium basically, so that this is looking a little bit good. So basically this is the site analysis I have done. So this kind of sketch I have generated, like this is the green area, that entire the site I have designed the green area. This is the building block basically, and this shows the the east west north south direction, and this is the wind direction. This kind of sketch I have generated, and this is the basically site section that I have drawn, that how the building will look like. The way that I have done, that will help you in your presentation also. So basically this is the plan that I have drawn, and these are the requirements that I have done, that I have freezed out. So stage, backstage, green room, male, female, store, side stage, box office, admin, foyer, male, female toilet, lift, staircase, and the ramp. So this is how my plan came out basically. So let's go on the next page. So this is the section with the some standard. Basically this is the 30-degree angle from the center of the screen, which is required for the auditorium, and this is the 4 feet height required from the base of that. The stage height should be 4 feet, तो इतना होना चाहिए, and 3 to 5 meter का distance होना चाहिए from the screen to the first seating. So this is the front row basically. And balcony के लिए there should be a 30-degree angle from the bottom of the screen to the first person, तो 30 degree होना चाहिए. And the next is 35 degree from the, ये होना चाहिए पहली सीटिंग से लेकर के top of the screen, the angle should be 35 degree. So that is the norm basically. So let's come on the next page. So this is the bylaws. Total site area was 9,527 square meter, and the ground coverage था मेरा वो 30% था, that is इतना limit. And height limit, no limit was the height, and the FAR 1.3. So the total setback था from the 1566. So this was the bylaws. So this was my initial presentation that I have done, but final presentation that I have made, this is the final presentation that I have made basically. So the composition, so you can see the composition that I have done. You can take the reference from that will help you in your design problem. So this is basically zone. This is the one zone that I have put site content with the key plan, site plan, and the 2 views basically. And this is the second zone, evolution of design. So I have keep all my sketches there, and this was the evolution of concept. So all these sketches how evolve, and I have कुछ text भी लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे. So जिससे क्या है कि आपको एक क्लियरिटी मिलेगी बेसिकली. जोन 1, एक जोन में मैंने ये डिवाइड किया, फिर ये डिवाइड किया, फिर ये डिवाइड किया, एंड देन कम टू द साइट एनालिसिस. साइट एनालिसिस के अंदर मैंने ये किया. आई हैव पुट ऑल माई साइट स्केचेस विद दिस सेक्शन एंड बायलॉज. फिर उसके बाद कॉन्सेप्चुअल सेक्शंस मैंने इस तरीके से ड्रॉ किए विद बायलॉज. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई प्रेजेंट my concept sheet basically. So you can see in this photo. So this is the site plan that I have done. This was the final site plan with the nice landscaping. This is the entry of my site plan, and in the entry this is the open air theater, and with the nice landscaping. That is the unique part of my design basically. You can see guys, this is the galaxical kind of planning. I mean the design basically. So this is one of the unique part in my design, so that people can enjoy the open space. They can sit there and enjoy the landscaping and the open space. There are a lot of open kind of activities can be take place in this zone, and this is one of the beautiful area. So this is the one of unique part of my design, as you can see guys. So let's come on the next page. This is the final plan that I have drawn, set with all the requirement, with the render. You can guys take the reference of that. I mean, you can do these kind of presentation that will help you in your design. This is the upper floor plan, and this is the balcony plan basically. So this is the section that I have cutted and rendered on the Photoshop. This is one of the nice the rendering done on the Photoshop. So you can guys, this will help you in your presentation basically, that the design, this black and white kind of combination that I have done in the section part is, you can see it's differently visible from the section part. Sectional part is this and the elevation part is this, so it's clearly visible. And this is the views basically. This is the view that I have done on the Google SketchUp. So as you can see, the design become little bit unique. So thank you guys, hope you like this presentation, and if you want something else from me and you want some data, so just give me a comment in the comment box. I will definitely show you.